Hello, good morning. How are you? I'm glad you're fine and great. Yeah, today is Wednesday. I love that picture. It says Wednesday blessings. We're over the hump and heading, heading down the other side. Okay, guys, let's see what what our book says. Can you get your booklet, please? Okay, let's find page 22, 2, and we're gonna work on activity 19. It says, how many fingers? Do you remember the song? How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, on one hand we have 5, but if we put them together, we have 10. Okay, so look, cut, and paste. So today you have to cut. Okay, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right here you have the little squares. You have to cut them, and you have to paste them right here. Okay, and that's all for today, guys. I hope you have a great Wednesday. Okay, I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.